Is it clear? Sir, what if it is a leap year? In a leap year, which 2 months will have the same calendar? If it is a leap year, idea remains the same. January will be the first month, start with 1. January contains 31 days. 31 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, remainder 3. 1 plus 3, it is 4. 1 plus 3, it is 4. March. February, in a leap year, February has 29 days. Kindly do not mug it up, sir. Mugging up will of no use. February has 29 days. 29 days. 29 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. Remainder 1. So 4 plus 1, it is 5. April. March contains 31 days. 7 4s are 28. Remainder 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 1. May. June. July. I am sure right now you can do questions on your own based upon this concept. October, November, December. November, December. January 31 days plus 3. February 29 days. 29 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. March 31 days, 3. 5 plus 3, 8, it is 1. April 30 days, 2. It is 3. May 31 days, it is 3. June 30 days, extra 2, 1. July 31 days, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. August 31 days, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. September 30 days, 30 by 7, 2. 0 plus 2. October 31 days, it is 3. November 30 days, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7, 0. I hope the idea it is clear. 1, 4, 5. 1, 3, 6, 1. 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 0, 2, 5, 0. 0 is equivalent to 0. 0 is equivalent to 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Then April and July. April and July. April and July. So April and July it is 1, and Jan and April it is also same. February and April it is also same. I hope the idea it is clear. March and November it is also same. March and November it is also same. I hope the idea it is clear. Sir, why it is happening same? Even if you do the number of days, you will understand. April contains 30 days. May contains 31 days. June contains 30 days. It is 91. 91 when divided by 7, remainder it is 0. Remainder 0 means the same value will come into picture. The same value will come into picture. That by using the number of days also you can get the answer, or by using the key value also you will get the answer. January contains 31 days. February contains leap year, it is 29 days. March contains it is 31 days. 31 plus 31, 62. 62 plus 29, 91. 91 divided by 7, remainder 0. That is the reason 1 is matching with 1. Are you all with me? 1 is doing the number of days and dividing by 7. 1 is doing it by doing the number of days and dividing it by 7. Another is just computing the month key values. I hope it is clear. In a leap year, which all months will have the same calendar changes? In a non-leap year, which all months have got the same non-leap year? It changes. I hope the idea it is clear. If it is clear, kindly reply in the live chat with an yes. Then we will get into an application of these month key concept. Very beautiful understanding, sir. Zeller has given a formula and then he has given the code values for century that we will discuss after 5 minutes. First, we are understanding the importance of a month key value, and from that we are learning which two